Hi guys! Well, today is finally here. I get to tell you all about this brand new package that we're going to be offering you. And it's all about color and transfer. Let me tell you about the color first. Included in this package is this full color laser toner printer. Now our owner researched printers for weeks, tested I think over 25 of them, and this is the one he chose. He likes it for several reasons, but one is because it offers a straight pass-through and your transfer paper will come out with beautiful color. And the other is the price he managed to get on it. We have a limited number of printers to offer in this package. So you're going to hear me say a couple of times on this video that this is a limited time offer. 2 weeks, probably less than 2 weeks. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this printer at the end of this video. So let's get into the transfer papers we're going to offer. We are going to be including 3 packets in your package. These transfer papers must be used with a heat press and must be used with a full color laser toner printer, not an inkjet printer. You would not like that. First up is our RST Wood. Now you know how huge wood is today, right? Everyone's doing plaques and signage. As a matter of fact, my daughter-in-law in her kitchen has a montage of signs with wonderful sayings about love and family and children. I have a couple examples that we did to show you. This little plaque. Any flat wood surface is perfect for this. Here's some coasters that we did, and just some fun stuff. RST Wood. Next up is our LP vinyl. It is our laser printable vinyl, and this is a workhorse. It's going to produce beautiful full color images for you. You can use photography. You can make your own pattern vinyl. We sell a ton of beautiful pattern vinyl. But with this, you'll be able to make your own. I think one of our designers said it best when he said, anything you can see on a computer screen, you can put on a t-shirt with this. Which as a matter of fact, let me show you what we did. Took these really busy, intricate images off the computer and created this t-shirt. Did a layer on top of foil. Really cool, right guys? I think you're gonna love this. LP vinyl. I know, I've been saving the best for last. This is the one that everyone in our Facebook group has been asking about. This is our NoWeed Foil. Yes, I said NoWeed. I'm going to show you a design that looks like it took 2 weeks to weed and it took no time because there's no weeding. It comes in numerous amounts of colors and we're adding more every day. We keep telling our vendor more, more, more. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Got this image off the internet. Intricate, right? Made this t-shirt with it. So simple. You can produce several of these in a short amount of time. Here's another one we did. Looks like you just spent days and days weeding, right? No. So, again, you're only limited by your imagination with this NoWeed Foil. Once again, friends, this is a limited time offer. It includes our RST Wood, anything on a flat wood surface, LP vinyl, this is our workhorse. You can do anything that you see on your computer screen, including pattern vinyl, and our NoWeed Foil. You'll never have to weed again, although it'll look like you did. I can't stress enough that this is really limited time because we only have so many printers at this price. Once we sell out, we'll never be able to offer this again. So please act quickly, You can reach us at heattransfersource.com. You can call us at 800-494-0500, or you can reach out to us on Facebook. This package, again, as you've seen in this video, is $399. At least it is right now. In a couple of weeks, it's gonna go up. So, hope to hear from you soon. Thanks, guys, and stay tuned for a short video about this amazing printer. You're gonna love it. Your laser toner printer is actually two printers in one. The lower tray will be used for your home office paper, and the middle multi-purpose tray will be used for your craft transfer paper, which you will load watermarks down. When you open the printer, you will see a lot of orange plastic stuff inside. Make sure you take it all out, particularly the hard plastic tab in the back, or your printer will not work and you will not be happy with us. Like most new printers, yours will come with a set of starter toners, which are 1/3 full. When you begin to run out, your printer will alert you and you can reach out to us to order more. Your toner cartridges are in a carrier, and when you take this carrier out, please put it on a clear, flat surface because it has delicate rollers underneath and you don't want to get anything embedded on those rollers. The USB cable and power cord are in the back, and the on and off switch is in the front left corner. You can hear her powering up and she's going to be ready to go.